In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a company's list on Apollo.io. This is a powerful tool that allows you to build and organize lists of potential business contacts, which can be incredibly useful for sales prospecting or market research. So let's dive right in. To get started, we'll first navigate to the Apollo.io homepage. Make sure you are logged into your account so that you can access all the features. Once you're on the homepage, locate and click on the Lists option in the navigation menu. This is where you can manage all your existing lists and, of course, create new ones. Now that we're in the Lists section, you'll notice a button labeled Create a List. Go ahead and click on that. This will prompt a new page where we can set up the specifics of our new list. Here you are presented with several options for categories. First, click on List Target, which will allow us to specify what type of list we're creating. For our purposes, we want to select Company. Once you've selected Company, the next step is to give your list a name. Make this something memorable and descriptive so you can easily identify what this list contains later on. Type in your chosen list name in the field provided. Now, we have two options for the next step. You can either select filters manually or upload a CSV file if you have a list ready to import. If you choose to upload a CSV, make sure the document is formatted correctly with the appropriate data fields. But for this walkthrough, we'll go the manual route and delve into selecting filters. Apollo.io offers a variety of filters to tailor your list precisely to your needs. You can choose companies based on their location or dive deeper into specifics like the number of employees or headcount growth. You'll find more filters such as industry, relevant keywords, and even buying intent, which can give you deeper insights into the companies you might want to target. Take your time to go through these options and make selections that best align with your goals. You can also specify job titles or other parameters that might be important for your search. After you've applied all your desired filters, Apollo.io will generate a refined list of companies that match your criteria. Once your filters are applied and you've reviewed the list generated, you can either manually select the companies you're interested in or set criteria that automatically select them. Don't forget to click on Apply to confirm your selections. Finally, with your selections ready, click on Add to List. This will save your curated list for future reference and use. And there you have it. You've successfully created a company's list on Apollo.io. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on how to harness the power of Apollo.io for your business needs.